Now I've had an idea. I watched a YouTube video the other night where I saw a guy make a template for his chain cleaning, and so I thought I'd do the same so I could clean the DR chain. So this is my prototype. Now I was going to carry it all the way back to the back of the wheel to stop splashes here, but I think it's actually very difficult to get under the chain guard. So I think I'll pull this bit out. So this prototype's probably gone. I've actually cut my chain guard out already. I was also going to carry it all the way forward to stop drips, but it's difficult to get on if I've got this in the wrong place. So I think I'll take that front off. And so what I'm left with is this slips out forward like that, so it fits under the rear, what's this called, swinging arm. So that bit fits under the swinging arm. This bit just clears the chain guide on the way in, and that bit, that end fits against the bash plate there. And so that's the template I'm going to use. I've also got an old gutter channel which I used for the front of the shed. I had a piece left over, and so what I can do is I can use that to capture all the rubbish it cleans off. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take this prototype template, I've transferred it to an old piece of tin I had lying about. I think it's an old road sign actually. So if anybody's looking for directions, you might not find them. So this is an old road sign. I think it was just lying at the side of the road somewhere. So I've transferred that shape to the template, and I'll cut it out now. And then I expect a little bit of buggering about, but I reckon that'll help me keep all the rubbish off the bike when I'm cleaning the chain. So let me have a go at this template. I'll cut the steel out, I'll get it mounted on that channel, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is where I'm up to. I've got the sheet cut out. I've bent it 60 degrees and put a little lip on it, and it'll become clear what that little lip at the bottom's for. So basically what happens is this slides under the chain like so, and I can get the chain all clean without getting the rest of the bike dirty. And I'll show you what this little lip's for in a minute. I've just glued some ends on the bottom tray, and you'll see how it's going to work. So a little bit mucking about and trimming, and you know, but it seems to be working okay so far. So here's the finished article. I've used the 1 meter plastic drainage channel with the ends on it, and I've sealed the ends with liquid nails, clear liquid nails. So that's both ends. If required, I could drill a hole through there and put a drain on it to a bucket on the floor, but I don't think I'll need that. And if I can do this with one hand, it just pushes under, and then the little clip just clips over the edge of the drainage channel. It says it's always hard with one hand. There we go. Just clips over the edge of the drainage channel there, and sits, and that provides a drip edge. And there you go. So you clean your chain, so you protect your chain and collect all the shit. So what I'll do is I'll give my chain a clean now. I started riding BMWs in 1984, and one of the reasons is I hate chains. I just hate dirty chains. And so unfortunately with the DR it comes with a chain. And so what I'll do is I'll get it I'll give this one a clean. It's pretty dirty. Chains tend to come with this sticky stuff on them. I don't know what it is. It must just be to protect them for corrosion. And so I'll give this one a quick clean, and I'll show you what it's like, and I'll show you if this works or not. Right, here we are, all done. The tray's all glued. I've put some absorbent tissues or whatever they're called in the bottom to help just keep the mess in order. There's how it sits in the channel. And that enables me to clean the chain from here, and the stuff will just run down into the tray. I've got some of this off-road chain pack, chain cleaner, chain lube, and comes with a brush as well, pretty handy. So I'll get on with it and give it a clean and see what happens. I'll see if I can leave this here and give it a try. I don't want to get chain lube over my I don't want to get chain lube or chain cleaner over everything, so I'll just see how it goes. Well, there we are, chain clean, chain really clean. And you can see the amount of overspray you get from chain lube. So if it wasn't being stopped by this backboard, it's basically going straight through onto something else, probably the ground. So I'm pretty pleased with that. I think that worked a treat. What I'll do is I'll take this off and go around the other side and just coat the back of the rollers in case I've missed them. But I think overall that's a bit of a success. You can see the rubbish it catches in the tray as well. And so that is a really good little addition to the workshop to stop, to clean the chain and to stop all the mess. Now, I think you have to submit prizes for the Nobel Prize early, so I'll put the link down below, and you can get my Nobel Prize entry in early, so we have a good chance. But you can see there how clean that chain is. I'm very pleased with that. That worked an absolute treat. So another little win for the DR. Clean chain and another great day. Thanks for watching.